How to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Ledger Nano X. So here's an example on how you can transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Ledger Nano X. So first thing you want to do is set up your Ledger Nano X. So before doing anything else, make sure your Ledger is up to date and that you installed the necessary apps via Ledger Live because you can transfer Bitcoin without the Bitcoin app installed on your device. And then access your Bitcoin's account, which is the Coinbase account. Log into your Coinbase and head over to the send and receive section. And then know your fee. So one thing that will surprise you is the amount the Coinbase charges for transfer. So it's not measurable at all, but you'd rather pay those fees. So make sure that you will pay those fees and that it's okay for you to pay those fees in order to make a transfer. And then get your receiving address though. From there, you can go to the ledger and then get the address and make sure it's the right address that you copied and then enter the details in Coinbase. So back in Coinbase, select Bitcoin as the currency or any crypto that you want to transfer, and then paste the receiving address you just copied. And again, make sure this is the correct address. And lastly, double check everything from the fees, the recipient address, and the amount. So once you're sure everything is correct, you can proceed with the sending. And make sure it was worth it. Or whether or not it is worth it or went smoothly, that's how you can transfer crypto or any crypto like Bitcoin from Coinbase to Ledger Nano X.